Kale has become increasingly popular in recent years as people seek out nutritious and delicious food options. This leafy green vegetable is not only packed with essential vitamins and minerals, but it also adds a unique flavor and texture to any dish. In this essay, we will explore a variety of delicious and healthy recipes featuring kale. One of the most popular ways to cook kale is by sautéing it with garlic and olive oil. This simple yet flavorful recipe allows the kale to wilt and soften, while the garlic adds a savory kick. Served as a side dish or mixed with pasta, sautéed kale is a versatile option that adds a nutritious punch to any meal. Another delicious way to enjoy kale is by incorporating it into soups and stews. Its sturdy texture holds up well in broths, giving it a satisfying bite. A hearty kale and white bean soup, for example, combines the earthy flavors of kale with creamy beans, creating a nourishing and comforting meal that will keep you full for hours. For those looking for a lighter option, kale salads are a perfect choice. Kale salads can be customized to suit any taste, whether it's a vibrant Mediterranean-inspired version with feta cheese, olives, and tomatoes, or a fruit-based salad with kale, strawberries, and a tangy vinaigrette. The sturdy leaves of kale make it an excellent option for meal prepping, as it can be dressed and refrigerated without wilting. Kale can also be transformed into delicious and healthy snacks. Kale chips are incredibly easy to make and provide a great alternative to traditional potato chips. Simply coat kale leaves in olive oil, sprinkle with your favorite seasonings, and bake until crispy. The result is a guilt-free snack that is packed with nutrients and doesn't sacrifice flavor. Incorporating kale into main dishes is also a great way to elevate the nutritional value of your meals. Whether it's added to a frittata for a vibrant and nutritious breakfast, or folded into a quinoa and vegetable stir-fry for a filling dinner, kale adds a burst of freshness and color to any dish. For those with a sweet tooth, don't worry. There are even dessert options that feature kale. Kale smoothies have gained popularity as a way to increase vegetable intake while still enjoying a sweet treat. Blending kale with fruits like bananas, berries, and a splash of almond milk creates a refreshing and healthy drink that kids and adults will love. Lastly, kale can be used to create a flavorful and nutritious pesto. Blending kale with pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil results in a vibrant green sauce that can be tossed with pasta or spread on sandwiches. The addition of kale adds a slightly bitter note to the pesto, providing a unique twist on a classic sauce. In conclusion, cooking with kale opens up a world of delicious and healthy possibilities. Whether you choose to sauté it, incorporate it into soups and salads, make snacks or main dishes, or even experiment with dessert recipes, kale is a versatile ingredient that adds both flavor and nutrition to any dish. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't be afraid to reach for a bunch of kale and start creating nutritious and mouth-watering meals using this incredible leafy green. Thanks for watching, and for more helpful information on kale diets and health tips, be sure and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button. So let's start to live a healthier life and do what we can to change how we live and what we put in our bodies. So kale your way to a long, healthy life.